welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Holistic Traveler. No, this is not a travel vlog because right now lots and lots of work pressure is there and no vacation at this moment to afford a holiday. So but this is going to be something interesting. This is actually a cooking vlog, and my husband is an excellent cook and he's very fond of cooking. That's one of his hobby. So he told that today is a Sunday, so he's planning to, initially the plan was to have biryani, but then he told that he'll make some chicken rice at home. But honestly speaking, the procedure that I saw in the kitchen more of seems like a biryani only. So this is going to be a homely cooked biryani, not the exact one that you get in the hotel or the restaurants. This is going to be a home cooked biryani with our own ingredients and the way we like to have it. But if everything is fine, then next week or next to next week we'll do a proper mutton biryani. But this is going to be a home cooked chicken biryani or chicken bhat or chicken rice as we call it. So come, let's take you to our kitchen and we are going to show you all the steps that we have taken to make this and also the final product. First, the chicken is already kept marinated over here with some ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and salt. It has been marinated for the past 1.5 hours. Some mustard. I forgot to add that there was some mustard oil as well, and this is the onion which is being chopped for the barista, and some rice is also kept steamed over here which will be put in the chicken rice. Now we are heating some white oil in the wok, and now the barista will be prepared. 75 grams of oil, and there goes the onion. 3 whole onions have been chopped for making this barista, medium sized, and it is for people of 4. Mother-in-law is having her Purnima today, therefore she has prepared some dalia for herself. Dalia pulao. She's not going to have this carrot chicken rice with us. Yeah, what are there, Balo? Carrot, peas, capsicum. No. Acha. Kaju, kismish, all these are there. Her lunch, which honestly looks more delicious, she's going to have some malai kofta and this dalia's khichdi. Preparing some kesar, aromatic spices. This one is disapproved by my husband. This is from Dadaji, pure saffron. So we are getting a better quality one also, which we will be mixing and putting in the rice. And this is the better quality one, which is going on in this. From Veraka, very common brand on all Amazon and other chains, marketing chains, food marketing chains. We are mixing this kesar in hot water. If you want, you can mix it in milk as well. That is up to you. And on the other hand, our barista is almost ready. Mixing for the color. Cashews are chopped over here, and there are some plum, which is famously known as aloo bukhara. This has also been soaked, and this will also go. I love eating this in biryani or rice. So everything is getting ready while we are picking up the barista from the wok. Some onions we have kept it to fry along with the chicken, and some onions we picked up and kept as the barista, which we will sprinkle by the end of the dish. Now we have added some cashews to get it fried with the onions. Now how much cashews you want to put, that totally depends on you. After we are done frying this, we have now added some khare masala as well. Finally adding the marinated chicken into the wok and going to slow cook it till the time it is ready for the rice to go in. Two full spoons of Amul curd. The smell is just yummy. Handi biryani mix from Cook Me. Along with handi biryani masala, add some salt. We have stopped consuming white salt at home. Only using pink salt nowadays. Close the lid and let the chicken cook itself in its own steam. Putting in the plums. The plums have gone in and now we are mixing it nicely in the chicken. Some handi masala once again.
Yes. আরো 2-3 জনের দেখে রিটার্ন ট্রায়াল করে
Adding in all the leftover kesar for the final color. Adding some final sprinkles of the Shahi Garam Masala. Now the main challenge begins. You have to put this whole thing on dum. So technically you can do it with atta as well as people do it, but at home we decided to go with the aluminium foil. Just take any readily available foil and cover it in this way so that the whole steam remains inside and both the rice and the chicken gets cooked in it. So before you finally let it cook itself for the next 15 minutes, ensure that you generously pour in some teaspoons of ghee because that will make the dish even more delicious. We have decided to put this wok on a tawa because the direct heat going into the wok might damage the dish. You can also do the same. See you after 15 minutes. And our dish is finally ready. Now before you serve it, ensure that you mix the rice really well because the gravy is underneath. So mix it nicely and then have it with green salad, raita or whatever you want. I was so busy eating that I actually forgot to record, but yeah, the final result looks like this after the rice is mixed very well with the gravy. It was super yum. Let me know if you have tried this recipe at home. See you in the next one.